The weather finally broke and it's a beautiful day, so I'm gonna see how she reacts to the window. This might be the big moment she goes. I'm not sure. Hey, beautiful. Come here, pretty girl. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. There you go. I'll see if I put her on the ledge. Come here, pretty girl. Come here, beautiful. It's okay. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. You want to sit here? How's that? She's out on the ledge right now. I want her to be happy and fly away, but at the same time, I want her to stay. I don't know if we can see her here. There she is. She's on the outside of the window. Hey, pretty girl. Hi there, beautiful. I'm gonna see if she wants to go or if she wants to stay with me. I really want her to stay, but yeah, I think she's gonna fly right away. What you doing? Hi, Ginger. There's my pretty girl. Shh, shh, shh. Hi, beautiful. Look at you. There's my girl. Are you ready to go? Yeah, I think she's gonna go. Go ahead, pretty girl. Go ahead, pretty bird. Shh, 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 shh. There we go. I could just cry right now. I get a bond with them so quick. Oh, I'm so happy, man. I'm so happy right now.